everybody, welcome back to the Villains and Vice channel. I'm Beth, and today is another installment of Evil Spirits, villain-inspired cocktails. Today's episode is part of a Hobbit Day collaboration created by Lena from Hall Family Adventures. There are all kinds of channels participating. Some are making crafts, drinks, food. I will link all of the channels below in the description so you can check out what everybody else is doing. Today we are making a cocktail. It is called Smaug's Gold, and it is a super easy bourbon drink. It is only 3 ingredients. It is bourbon, a honey syrup, which is the hardest part of the recipe, but so easy to make, and will last in your refrigerator for 3 weeks, and fresh lemon juice. So to make your honey simple syrup, you just take equal parts water and honey. And mix them together in a saucepan over low heat until they are combined. For this recipe, I used half a cup of each. But like I said, it'll last for 3 weeks in your refrigerator, so feel free to make as much as you want. I have some dragon friends here to help me. I don't actually have any Smaug items, but now I feel like I should get some. And for this particular honey syrup, I used a hot chili honey. I figured for a drink that is inspired by and named for a fire-breathing dragon, there should be some heat to it. So I guess we will start. It is incredibly easy. So put some ice in your shaker. And you want 2 parts bourbon. You can use any bourbon. The bourbon I am using is Horse Soldier Small Batch. If you've seen our ultimate bourbon tasting video that we did up in Maine on vacation, you'll know that the regular Horse Soldier bourbon won that testing for the whole group. And then Mike even came to Maine on vacation a couple days later, and he did the same tasting all by himself at a later date. And the Horse Soldier was his #1 ranked bourbon overall too. So you need 2 parts bourbon, one part lemon juice. I used freshly squeezed, but you can use the juice that comes in that little lemon. It might not taste as bright or as fresh, but it'll still do the trick. And 1 part of your honey simple syrup. Minimal spillage. Now just pop the lid on your shaker and give her a shake. And that, folks, is all there is to it. Just strain her into your glass. And voila, you're all done. So good. You get the brightness from the lemon juice, and in this case, the heat from the honey, and then a delicious bourbon. I think you guys are really gonna like this. It's so easy, anybody can make this. It's a very pretty gold color, hence the name Smaug's Gold. We just got new TVs in the hunt room and the family room, and I just happened to look up, and they're the frame TVs that have the artwork on them. It scared me because I'm not used to anything being over the fireplace. So that's going to do it for this installment of Evil Spirits. Give this a try at home. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to check out all of the other channels participating in the Hobbit Day collaboration, and we will see you next time. Cheers!